Are you tired of feeling overwhelmed by your cluttered crafting space? Does the thought of organizing your supplies fill you with dread?
Well, fear not, because we have the perfect solution for you. Introducing the free 3-day Paper Crafters Get Organized Summit. This event is designed to help you get your craft room from a chaotic, unorganized mess to a peaceful place you don't ever want to leave. There are presentations on organizing a small space, how to store paper scraps, having an organized workspace, budget-friendly organization, purging, and so much more. But wait, there's more. With the free ticket, you'll get access to 3 days of classes, a Facebook group, tons of organization tips, additional resources, and more. All this is included with your free ticket. And for those who want even more, upgrade to the Ultimate Organization Bundle Pass. Get lifetime access to all the summit presentations, exclusive bonus materials, and even Justine's handwritten notes. So what are you waiting for? Get help organizing your crafty space so you can spend more time creating with this free 3-day Paper Crafters Get Organized Summit. Don't miss out. Register now.
The link is in the description box. Purging and decluttering is not required, but it is suggested to maximize results. Results may vary. Event hosts and presenters are not liable for frustration you may feel as you are in the middle of the process. But be sure to leave a raving review about the overwhelming feeling of happiness once your space is organized.